Welcome y'all to another video here on the Mateo Franco DC channel. If you guys haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button. In today's video, we're going to be going over Gradual. It's a company on Amazon. I'm going to go over specifically dress pants / joggers and why I like them. I'll leave a link below. I am an Amazon affiliate, so I do get commission from this. Just want to let you guys know up front. But if you're going to purchase it anyways, please help the channel out and just use the link below. We'll get a little kickback from that. And then I would love to hear how you enjoy them. If you know a friend that would benefit from this too, share it with them. Let's go ahead and get into it. I'll show you the two that I have. This is their regular jogger. So I'll give you a little context here. I'm a chiropractor, so I wear Lulu, a lot of just actually like dress pants in the practice. And one of the main reasons besides looking good, the Lulu is going to fit a little bit tighter. But the other part that I liked about Lulu is they used to have a thing where if you had any rips or tears or anything like that, they just replace the pants. But since that's gone away, I show people lots of exercises in here. I'm moving a lot. So for me, I need something that's mobile, and I kept ripping by the back pockets or by the zipper on the front. So for me, I got tired of spending like $130, and 6 months later, the pants would be ripped just because I'm stretching and moving in those things. So for me, I've replaced Lulu with these. So if you're doing more like business stuff and you're not necessarily as mobile as I am in the day-to-day, then you can definitely go ahead and stick with Lulu. But if you're looking for something that's more mobile and still want to look good, then you can definitely do these. Or if you golf, you can definitely rock these. But I'll go over the ones that have the actual like belt loops on it. I'll show it to you. I guess I can show it to you here. These actually have the belt loops on it, and they're a jogger too. I will say with these, they're very nice. These aren't going to replace Lulu as a jogger. I have a separate video that I'll show you on a different brand that's actually from Amazon. I think it's like $50 for those joggers, or 45 or something like that. And they actually feel identical to Lululemon joggers. So if you're looking for something that's just Lulu-like, that's going to be the video for you. If you want something that's a nice replacement that's more budget friendly, like I think these are $30, or maybe these are cheaper than $30, the actual joggers themselves, but the ones with the loops on it are $30 or $29, whatever. So these are the joggers. I like a couple of things about them. I'll tell you right away. So it has a back pocket. It's kind of hard to see because there's a black, but it's a zipped back pocket. And they also have, I believe these are, one of my favorite parts. They have zipped pockets on the side. Nothing's worse than when you sit in your truck and all your stuff falls out, or you go to sit down in the golf cart and your stuff's falling out. So for me, I like that it has zip pockets. Fits true to size. I do a medium. I'm about 5'9", 5'10" on a good day. And I think I have a 32-inch waist, 33-inch waist, something like that. So they fit really good, and they're really nice. They're not going to be something that's super warm, though. I will say that it's very thin, so I've seen people talk about it. I'm not looking for them to go out and be like warm in 40-degree weather. That's not what I'm looking for them. If you're going to do that or golf in colder weather, then you're definitely going to want to put something beneath these. And these are my favorite. I wear these like everywhere. It does actually button up, and it has a zipper, and then it has these belt loops on it. This is gray, so I have dark green that's on currently. I'll stand up and see. This camera's going to move with me. But dark green. I know you all are probably thinking, man, that guy hits the gym every day. I would love to say that, but I'm working at getting better on it. Worth the work. That's what we're aiming for. Anyways, this is the dark gray. So I wear these now every day. These have replaced my Lulu. They are thin. Again, it has a button. It does have a button or like a clip on the back for this back pocket. So these are ones, if you're looking to get on like golf courses and have to have this, then you can have that. If you're looking for like business casual, if you're like a practitioner that has to have something that looks nice. Again, these are going to be a little bit baggier at the bottom than like how tight fit Lululemon is. So that's one thing you have to consider. I'm okay with that for what I do. So if you're in anything where you have to move a lot, then you can definitely, make that decision for you. But these are $30, and if they rip, then so be it. Again, it's very thin, so I don't know if I can show you how. It's very thin, so if you're looking for something to be like warm too, this isn't it. It's not that you can't wear it out there and be warm. It's just if you're going to go out and it's like 40 degrees or something, it's going to be a little cool. But I like these because you're going to be able to wear these spring, summer, and fall, depending on where you're at, golfing. So if you want to wear them through the summer, you're going to be fine because it's thin and breathable. So these are some of my favorite joggers from Gradual. Again, they've got some great products. And if you guys can, use the link below. If you guys decide that you want to purchase them, use the link below. If you guys have any other feedback or questions, please let me know in the comments section. And then if you know someone that would also like to buy these or would see the review, go ahead and share that with them. and then I'll see you on the next video.